So on Loudon Street, which comes from Park Street and connects to Theatre Road, we have a very well maintained, very well kept park. It is called the Nature Study Park, and you enter the Nature Study Park from here. There is the statue of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, and it's a very well maintained park, very clean for people to sit in the afternoon, come for morning walks. This is a little place to sit, and it also allows you to stretch out, as some people would come here in the morning to feed the fish in the pond. They find it an auspicious and nice thing to do. Some ducks that enjoy this park, and there is the fountain of Nature Study Park, a hidden gem right in the heart of Kolkata. That is the 42 that you see. Now let's walk around the park. It's very popular from the morning. People come here. It's mostly locals who come here, and some people who have their children studying in schools close by, they come here. So you take this walk. It's a very well decorated, very well kept park, and mostly it's clean. This is the tree, the Indian almond tree. And then some people, as they do in India, have taken extra care and effort to throw some litter around. So somebody came with a packet of food and a bottle of water, and they just threw it around when the bin was just there. Anyways, some habits that can't be changed. So this is the walk. During the day also, when the sun is out and it's pretty hot, if you're a little late in getting up, this is where you can walk. And it's a very, very nice walk, very pretty. Considering this is where the air quality index has been in red consistently for a long, long time. And that is my friend, the Donald duck. I don't know if it is Donald duck or some other duck enjoying her swim. She has plenty of food, she has plenty of water, and she has a good life. And she doesn't pay any taxes, you see. So going back to your park, very well laid out. This is another tree. Well maintained, well taken care of. It has public and government participation. Oh, this is a fishtail palm. Maybe a bit out of the season, maybe not the right time to bloom, but another beautiful tree. Very small but a very well kept park, beautifully maintained. And you have come to the other exit of the park that opens right across on Outram Street. You have the Outram Club, And you have a famous restaurant here. All cleaning efforts are on. These gentlemen work very hard to keep the park clean. They are there 24 hours trying to keep the order, and the people who come here in check. Once again, you walk towards the water. Beautiful sunny day, and there you are. The Calcutta skyline and the sky. So, if you can, do come to this park.